Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. This week I'm going to show you how to make Biscoff cheesecake. It was requested by one of my clients a while back, and I'm going to tell you it was my first time trying a Biscoff cheesecake, but I was really impressed with the taste. It's a Biscoff biscuits base, and then it's a Biscoff spread on top, and then some more biscuit crumbs, and the filling has Biscoff in it as well. So it's all Biscoff, a very tasty thing. I do hope you guys try it as well, and if you do, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your creations. There are pictures on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and I will take you through the process on my YouTube video. And if you do like what you see today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time I put a video up. Don't forget to take care of yourselves, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, go break an egg. So Biscoff crust. I'm gonna do half of a normal recipe because I have two little tins I got for an order, and I'm gonna use one for the order and the other one for the collab. So I have two little 4-inch tins we're gonna use. I've added some parchment paper in just because I don't want the biscuit to stuck to the base, and we are just going to split the recipe in half, which means this is 15 Biscoff biscuits, and we are going to melt 45 grams of butter that we're going to add onto the biscuit. So until the butter is melting on the fire there, we are going to have the biscuits using the food processor. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Look at that crumb. And now you melt the butter. Now the butter has melted. We're gonna add it on to the biscuits. Okay. And mix some more. That should be done. Take your knife out. Clean your mess, and I'm going to use a little teaspoon. So grab your little tins and start filling them up. I know it looks like a lot, but it won't be, because I'm gonna smash it all together all the way up to the walls. So yeah, so you grab a little teaspoon and you're trying to make a bit of a edge as well, yeah, because that edge is gonna look pretty when you turn it over. Okay, there you go. And then when we're done with this, do it properly. We are going to put it in the fridge to set until we start making the filling. Yeah. Okay guys, so for the filling of the cheesecake, we are using, so I'm again doing the ingredients in half. So I have here 100, about 120 grams of whipping cream or double cream. And in this bowl here, we're going to mix it all together. So 180 grams of cream cheese. I've added like 2 tablespoons of Biscoff spread, about 140 grams. And then icing sugar, powdered sugar, I put about 40 grams. I'm also going to add a bit of salt, a pinch of salt here. We're going to mix this, I'm going to mix the cream first, put it aside, then mix this all in, and then incorporate the cream into the Biscoff spread slowly. Yeah. So here we go. We start with this. Here we go guys, so they will be in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow morning we are going to do a little Biscoff spread and decorate, so I'll show you all about that then. See you tomorrow. So it's the day of the decoration. As you can see, I took them out and they look quite cute. So I've just melted some Biscoff. And what I'm going to do with it, I'm just going to spread it on top. And then I'm going to let it drip on the sides as well. Just make a little drip basically, yeah? And then you have to let it set for another maybe about 10 minutes or so in the fridge, and we can do the final decorations after. Here we go. Cute. Ta-da! Okay, so it's set, yeah, and we're gonna decorate the final touch. So I squashed a few biscuits here, and we are going to do a little ring around it, literally. Yeah, just go around it. With a little ring of biscuits. Here we go. Just take a little spatula and just push these little bits on the side here. I want to have a nice shine on it, that's why. There we go. Done. Ta-ta! Biscoff cheesecake. Ooh, yum. I can't wait to try it, guys. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time.